Whoa, it's the magic microwave. I heard it can make food out of anything. Is that true?
That's correct, Mr. Play-Doh Ed.
Do you think you can make me some food? I'm starving.
Sure thing. Let me see if there's anything around that I can put into the magic microwave. Looks like I have some of these play foam balls that I can use. Let's see what these turn into. Let's put this purple play foam ball into the magic microwave. Ooh, something smells really delicious. Check it out! The purple play foam turned into 2 crunchy tacos. Let's go feed these to Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Here you go, Mr. Play-Doh Ed.
Oh, I love tacos. I wonder how they taste. Wow, that was so good.
Well, good thing we have another taco for you. Here you go.
Oh man, I can't wait to see what else comes out of the magic microwave.
Alright, now let's put this orange play foam ball into the magic microwave. This time I smell something sweet. Awesome! The orange play foam turned into dessert. Here's a chocolate ice cream on the cone. And we even get this strawberry glazed donut.
Donuts and ice cream? This microwave is amazing. Can you feed me the donut first?
Sure thing. Here comes the donut.
Yummy.
Get ready for some more sweets. Here comes the ice cream.
Let's keep this party going. Let's make more food with the magic microwave.
Alright, let me get some more play foam balls to use. Okay, I got this green play foam ball, so we're ready to go. Awesome! The green play foam turned into vegetables. Here's an eggplant. Here's a carrot. And here's a radish.
Oh man, vegetables? That's disappointing.
What's wrong, Mr. Play-Doh Ed? Vegetables are good for you.
I know, but I want more sweets. I guess I'll still eat them because I'm still hungry.
Trust me, I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Let's start with the carrots first. See? Not bad, right? Next up, the radish. Alright, one more vegetable. Here comes the eggplant.
Whew, I'm getting pretty full.
Oh, do you not want any more food?
I think I have room for one more food item.
Alright, let me make you one more thing using the magic microwave. Let's see what this yellow play foam ball turns into. Oh, Mr. Play-Doh-Head's going to love this. It's his favorite, Gumballs.
Awesome! Gumballs! They're my favorite. What a great way to finish.
Here you go.
Aww. What a great meal.
Wait, Mr. Play-Doh-Head, what's going on with your teeth? Can you open your mouth for me?
Aww.
Oh my gosh, your teeth turned into play foam. We need to take you to the dentist right away and get this fixed.
Hey there, I'll be your dentist today. Now let's see what's wrong with your teeth. Can you open your mouth for me, please?
Aww.
All right, let's take a look at those teeth. Start by using this mouth mirror. Okay. Oh, I see. That needs some work. Okay. All right, we got some work to do. Looks like we need to do some drilling. Let's get started. All right, time to take these teeth out. Okay, time to replace those teeth with new teeth. All right, I just need to brush your teeth and you should be all set. Okay, we're all done.
Thanks for the meal and for fixing my teeth.
No problem, Mr. Play-Doh-Head. Come back anytime you're hungry, and I'll make you some more food.
I look forward to it.
Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!